Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to change or how to use your phone calculator as a counting applications. Okay, most of the people and mostly in Islam, they are using a separate counter for counting some kind of names, or they're called salar or dhikr. Okay, actually you can use it in any purpose, and you can simply change your calculator application as a counter. How do that? Simply open your calculator from here. You can see here, this is my Samsung S25 Ultra, and press 1, then plus. Okay, you can see here, then plus 1, so it is equal to 2. Then you can see it is 2, then press again uh, equal button. It will be count like this: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So simple. You can simply use this as a counter. Once again, press 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Then start pressing again. So you can simply use your phone as a counter application without additional installing any counting applications. So that's kind of very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorials, comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.